You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this commune or city in the very south of France. We'll be looking at how to say more city names and more French vocabulary that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned. Perpignan is how it's said in French. Perpignan. Perpignan. There's no stress on any particular syllable, as is common in French. Every syllable is stressed the same way. Perpignan. You could say it in English. Perpignan. From French, Perpignan. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. And thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.